How to add multiple photos in your Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way as to how you can go ahead and then add multiple photos to your Instagram story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. There are two ways to add multiple photos to your Instagram story. So first is the default layout section. If I go to my Instagram app, I go about creating a simple story over here. As you can see, you just need to tap on the layout icon, which is at the left hand side, and here you just want to select the type of layout depending upon how much photos you want to add. For example, if I just select 2, you can see 2 ones. If I select other ones, such as 3 photos. If I select the other ones, such as 6 photos. But I will just show you the 4 ones. So to add pictures in this, just tap on the plus icon for the first one, and then go ahead and selecting your photo over here, and then just choose it in that way. Once you see the camera on the second one, it means that it's time for the second photo as well. So just go ahead and select the second one too. As soon as you do that, you can go ahead and also change the size like this by 2 fingers, and just tap on the plus icon, select the other one, tap on the plus icon, select the other one. If you want to delete either of these, tap on it and tap on the trash icon. And this is basically the first way to add multiple photos to Instagram story. Now tap on the cross check icon, and now you can see we successfully have it. But let's say that you want in a carousel format and now you want it misplaced everywhere else, and for that is also very easy. First, what I'll do is I'll just basically come back and I'll just exit out of it. Once I exit out of it, basically I'll just reopen Instagram app. I'll go about creating a story. I'll take a random picture. Once I take a random picture, now this is basically our background. This is not the main picture, but this is the background on which we will set a color to. So tap on the draw tool at the very top of the screen and select the color that you want for the background, and long press on the screen, and you can see it will follow the background color. If I select the color, long press on it, just like that. Now in order to add pictures to this, tap on the sticker icon on the top right, and just tap on the plus icon, which is the photos icon over here. This is the photo sticker. Tap on it, select a photo that you might want to add to your Instagram or story gallery. So just select it. You can tap on it in order to change the shape and sizes as well, as you can see over here. Now what you can also do is you can actually go ahead and then add some more pictures to this. You can adjust this over here. Tap on the sticker icon, again tap on the plus button at the bottom, select the other one that you want to add, and just go ahead and choose the ones that you wish, and just like that you'll be able to add multiple pictures to your Instagram story. This is how you can add multiple photos to Instagram story. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.